Hello, dear friends. Bună ziua. In Moldovan language, it's mean good morning. So today is Thursday. We call it Clean Thursday, Чистый четверг. 3 days till the Easter. And as you see, half day long we were washing everything, clean everything. The same as in Ukraine, here people clean and get ready for Easter. So today we prepare Paska. This is special Easter bread. And
this blue cocoa in
our aunt Galina prepare it in a Moldovan style. So for Paska you need many ingredients. Скільки яєць?
12 штук яиц,
12 eggs.
600 грам масла сливочного.
600 grams of butter.
Вот. 4 стакана сахара
4 glasses of sugar.
и 100 грамм дрожжей.
100 grams of yolks.
И потом уже делаю вначале в 6 часов утра. Сделала пару.
So she started her work at 6 o'clock in the morning. You can imagine. Now it's 4 o'clock. Where we go, Marianne? To the church? Yes? Now we're going for the church. Today is very important service. It's called Страсть. Страсть means suffering of Jesus Christ. In Ukraine, we have tradition that we take candle to the church, the big candle. We light it, and this is the symbol of suffering that we share with Jesus Christ. And very interesting that we need to take this candle, lightening candle, to home, and the light should not get off. I remember in my village, in my childhood, all the people went out of the church and it was almost dark with candles, and there were so many candle lightening during all the way.
Răspuns din pe Iisus Nazareanu, el a zis, eu sunt, iar ei căpăzătorul era și eu cu ei. Atunci când le-a spus, eu sunt,
Good morning. This is the next day, and at least our Paska is ready. We have a lot of Easter bread. Yes, Marianne?
и сливки.
This is all the bread our Aunt Galina did. How many, Marianne?
Many show.
Thank you for watching this video.
This video.
I hope you like it.
I hope you
And
like it.
I wish in every family you try sweet, beautiful Paska. Кажи мені.
Bye bye.